I'm recording.
Yeah, no.
How do you get back up?
I'm already recording on my camera.
Oh, are you really? Okay. Hold my $5 that I found
Okay.
inside the room.
And your phone. And your keys. Okay. Hiatus. Oh, I see little bubbles coming from the bottom.
Yeah. Someone has to get in right after me. And then can I just record y'all doing it?
Oh, shit.
No, all you gotta do is just fucking look over, like. Fish!
Go, Meredith!
He recorded me.
Is he jumping over? Go! I'm not doing it with you. I'm going on that side.
I'll do it with you on that side.
Go! I'm already freaking recording.
Ready?
Yeah.
No, sorry, guys.
No, go!
Is he going? Okay.
No, record it.
Go, go.
I'm scared.
No, it's not scary.
Yeah,
I don't want him to like call his buddies and like the police come.
Should we just go?
Just go. That's what me and Meredith
Oh,
did.
God. Are you going to go? Someone go. Someone, are you going to go?
Do you want me?
With you?
Do you want me to go again? It just hurts your stomach.
Where do I go?
Car, yeah. No, for real, just go.
Matter, I'll do it again if you want me to.
No, we have to go, Abby. Especially since there's a lot of people coming and someone's gonna get
Are you
called.
recording?
Yeah.
Oh, God, oh, God, oh, God, oh, God. Okay.
What the fuck?
Okay, let's go.